Dear friends, I'm here in Venice Beach, California. I'm Nely Galán and I'm sending you all love. I know we're all going through a very difficult time. It's chaotic and our mind goes to very dark places. Our fears show up, our fear of being sick or even dying, our fear of running out of food. We're here in California where it's the land of abundance and we go to the supermarket and they're empty. And we also are afraid that we're all going to run out of money, especially here in the United States where we tend to live hand to mouth. We don't save money. I'm always saying to all my women in entrepreneurship and all my women that are empowered, we have to save 2 years of salary because in a crisis, then you can live through the crisis easily. But most of us don't listen to that. So we're struggling financially as well and worried. But one of the great things of being someone like me that is a political refugee that came from a country where, the financial system collapsed. I came here from Cuba when I was 5. My parents lost everything. We came with the shirts on our back and we started all over again. Having had that experience and then living through many other crises, from the earthquake in California to my house being burned down, to then my house being flooded, to, the riots in California where we thought the world was coming to an end and everything was going to be burned down by people. And then we've had more floods and fires. And then we had the 2008 crash, which was very scary. And then now this. I think that when you go through those things, you realize everything passes. This too shall pass. And in these horrible moments, we all have little epiphanies, little lessons, things that tell us if we had 1 year or 1 moment or 1 day to live, what would we do different? For me in 2008, it was, what would I regret if I died? And I realized, a weird thing. I thought I want to finish school. I wanted to leave that legacy for my son. And I went back to school and I got a master's and doctorate, wrote a dissertation and a book. All things I would have never done if not for that crash. So I want you to think, what is it that you need to hear right now? What is it that you haven't done? Who have you not told something to that you need to say? Who haven't you told that you love? What do you still need to do on this earth? What do we need to do on this earth collectively? I think these are the deep questions that right now in our quiet, in our home, in our silence, we need to have those conversations with ourselves and figure out how we can have this moment take us to a higher place. I love the Italians and the Spaniards who are singing from the balconies because we have to find the joy in this moment. Something good will come from all of this pain. And I just want to say to all of you, I'm going to send you my feelings of love. I want you all to sing like the Italians and the Spaniards, dance in your house, clean out your closet, look at all your photo albums, talk to your family, share love, and especially eat. This is one time in your life you get a free pass to eat your way through your feelings and eat all the delicious food we want. I love you all, and I'm so happy that we're experiencing this in the collective together. I send you my love, and there's a great word in Spanish that says adelante, which means let's move it, let's take this forward, let's go. We have to take this crisis and have it take all of us collectively and together to a higher place. All my love from Venice Beach.